Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested reading. What is how the year will start for you, friends? How the new year 2022 will start for you, friends? Many of you requested this reading. Here it is now. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot. Like, share, subscribe. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading, friends. Visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. Also, friends. You can buy your own personal readings for 2022 from the website. I have done so many of those readings. If you have recently booked, friends, please give me some time. I'm working on your readings and I'll give to you as quickly as possible. And I had to go out of town also for a day or two, so yeah, there was a little delay also, but yes, we are on time. Worry not. And what else? You can also watch your pick a card readings for 2022. Your love pick a card readings. Links are in the timestamps. You can also watch your horoscope readings. Links are in the timestamps, friends. And this is our new year Christmas decoration. So woohoo, let me know how you all like it. And you can also watch your Hindi Urdu versions of your 2022 readings. The links are in the timestamps, they are in the other channel, so you can watch that out also. And this is a general reading, it may or may not resonate. So let us see, friends, how you are going to start the new year. This is like at the start of the new year, what is going to happen for you. Let's see, friends. Let's see, how are you going to start? What will happen at the start of the new year? What will be the theme of the start of the new year for our viewers? What will happen at the start? Oh wow, this is beautiful. Four of Wands. So some of you could be actually joining or going for a party, going for a wedding, a celebration. Some of you could be celebrating with friends, with your family. And oh my god, the Wheel of Fortune. So definitely the start of the year is going to be crackling for you. It is going to be amazing. There is going to be luck and luck changing for you, more luck coming for you. I also feel for some of you, if you are single, you may actually meet somebody on the new year or right at the start of the year. I also feel this is the time when your luck starts to change and good things are coming your way. So woohoo, this is interesting. And you will have a very very positive start of the year, like you feel like yes, things are shifting, things are changing, and you feel a little like celebratory, like you want to celebrate, spend time with friends, family, go. Some of you could actually be at a wedding or at a party also. Two of Wands, yes. Even though there are good and exciting energy at the start of the year, you will still feel very mature about things, like yes, you want to take responsibility, you want to take ownership, you are definitely feeling very responsible about your life and about this year also. So I feel you will start the year on a good note, but also you are very mature and balanced. So this is a wonderful energy, friends. That is how we want 2020 to be, where people are responsible, like everyone is mature. I don't know how to say this. We are all sensible, we are taking care of each other, we are looking after each other, we are being there for each other. Life is good, life is celebration for everybody, life is peaceful. That is what we want for everybody, right? There is health, there is wealth, and there is spiritual understanding for everybody. So wow, that's amazing. So let's see what else will happen at the start of the year. The Fool, yes, you'll be very excited with this year. Or I also feel like some of you could be getting some important news, some important messages for your year ahead. You could be waiting for some news which is coming. Some of you could be getting some messages which are from your ex or from your crush, and you'll be really surprised. The Queen of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Or if you are in air sign, you will have an amazing start of the year. You will be very very powerful, confident. The Five of Wands. Yeah, I do feel at the start of the year you may feel a little bit of confusion between your heart and mind. Like, should you follow your heart? Should you follow your mind? There will be a little confusion, but I think you will be able to come out of it. And Three of Wands, you are super excited. There is a lot of planning in your mind about your future, about this year. You're definitely planning things, and really. So you are definitely excited about this year. You have a lot of plans, and some of you could actually be looking to travel at the start of the year or later ahead. Like you want to travel, or you could be actually traveling, shifting, relocating. And Ace of Swords, yes, a powerful breakthrough, a powerful victory is coming for you, friends. So congratulations. This is the crackling start for you, friends. I do feel there is going to be a new breakthrough, a clarity, a vision coming for you, a sense of victory, a sense of power, and sense of luck, like you are lucky, and in your life that is coming for you. Three of Cups, celebrations, lots of celebrations. Some of you could be celebrating your birthdays. You could be Capricorns or you could be Aquarius, celebrating your birthdays right at the start of the year. I also feel some of you could be meeting, making new friends, reuniting with new friends, meeting old friends, connecting with old lovers, new lovers, your crushes. There is a lot of celebration. There is a lot of like, yes, we made it through 2021, so let's celebrate. Eight of Cups, yeah, some of you could actually be feeling happy about the endings that happened in the year 2021. It was not an easy year for any of us, friends, not even for me. I will discuss this some other time, what we all went through this year. My God, I think it would need a few videos to discuss how tough this year was for every one of us. Each one of us has faced some tough things in our life this year in 2021. And you will feel like you are ready to move out of it. You are ready to move out of those tough challenges. You are ready towards success. You are ready towards peace and ready for love. Four of Cups, yeah, I do feel some of you could be actually sitting at home enjoying or watching your favorite TV shows, or sitting and having a home party or something, because I think that's the vibe. You will be enjoying from home, having a good time, talking with friends, taking a relaxing start to the year also. And Two of Pentacles, yeah, I do feel that you will also be very busy at your work and career. So you will like to, instead of partying outside, you would prefer to party at your home or just stay at home. I also feel you will be quite busy at your work, at your career, and even if you are a student, you could be having some exams or dates are being announced. Six of Wands, success, yes, you're gonna feel a lot of success at the start of the year, or right in the first week of the year. You could be getting some sort of a promotion, some success, some part, what you say, some good news, like you were selected in an exam, you cleared the test or something. So yes, what else? Ten of Pentacles, again, family is very important to you at the start of the year. Money is very important, inheritances, properties, these things. And I also feel that some of you want to lay the roots, like if you are single, you want to get married. Some of you, if you are married, you want to double the, increase your family, like extend your family, because you want to settle, you want to become like this tree, deep rooted and extended. It's beautiful. Anything else? Oh wow, Ten of Cups. So definitely family is very, very important. Some of you could be married, and family and your marriage, will be going through good times, especially during the first, the initial start of the year. It will be a good time for you. How will our viewers feel at the start of the year? Oh wow, friendship. So yeah, some of you are going to make some new friends, or some of you are going to connect with an old lover, a crush, or somebody. And patience, I accept that everything happens in divine order. So yeah, I feel you have to be a little patient, but love is coming your way, new friendships, new support is coming your way, and your patience will pay off, so don't worry. Oh my God, cards are dropping everywhere. Yeah, you will also be feeling more conscious about your health, friends, this at the start of the year. You will be more conscious about your health, about mental health, physical health, emotional health, and yes, you will be taking care of it. I think this is the year when we all become conscious in 2022. This is the year for our consciousness, like we becoming aware of how things can affect us and everybody else. Happiness, you're gonna feel happy, friends. You're gonna feel a lot of happiness. And doubt, yeah, if you have any doubts, I feel you will have certain confusion at the start of the year, but it will be soon resolved. It will resolve quickly. Anything else? What will happen at the start of the new year for our viewers? Yeah, you will be letting go of the past baggage, past pains, moving forward, and challenging times. Yeah, this 2021 was a tough year for you. Also, it was a 5 year. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So it was a 5 year, and definitely it was a challenging year for us. Everybody, every one of us had a tough year, but we are moving towards success, towards love. Yes, balance. 14, again a number 5. You know, you will find balance in your life. Whatever was imbalanced or lacking in your life, it is coming into balance. Life is coming into balance for you in the year 2022. Four of Wands, marriage. Yes, singles, some of you could be actually getting ready emotionally, mentally to get married. Some of you are getting ready to be in new relationships. And definitely, if you are married, you will be taking your time to fall more in love with your partners, right? So yeah, let's see what else. Financial constraints, number 13. I feel number 13 is very important. It is here twice, 13, 13. So number 13 is important for you. The 13th of January might also be important for you, friends. And so some of you at the start of the year, you will be a little stressed about money issues, but I feel you are lucky, so don't worry. But in love, you are very lucky. Look at that. In love, you have the door to romance. So love is definitely coming your way. You don't have to worry about love. It is coming your way. And sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron, a lot of communications, a lot of divine signs, a lot of pure light is available, and spiritual victory. Yes, you're gonna have a spiritual victory or a victory in some sort of the other right at the start of the year. So there is going to be success for you. Anything else? Let's see. What else will happen right at the start of this year for our viewers? Milestone. Some of you are going to achieve success, a reward, an award. Some of you are going to get some projects, start your own businesses, or something will happen that will make you feel very, very proud of yourself. Okay, that's a clump of cards. I want a few. Okay, let's see. Commitment. So yeah, some of you could be getting a new project, a new agreement, a new life partner. The sacred temple, yes, I do feel some of you could actually be connecting with, meditating, taking some time to meditate, connecting with some sort of like you could be visiting or traveling to some spiritual site. If not, you could be thinking about, planning to visit some spiritual places in the future, if not right at the start. I also see some of you at the start of the year, you will like to spend it in times of prayer, like you are praying for success, praying that this year is easy. And for every one of us, that's such a beautiful thing to do. So let us see what things you need to keep in mind at the start. I think you will also be making some resolutions for the year, like things you're going to work on. You're going to be very committed about it. Some of you could be having health goals, fitness goals, and you'll be very committed to it. So any advice our viewers need to keep in mind? Escapist, come home to yourself. Yeah, I do feel that the start of the year is perfect for you to focus on yourself, on your health, your mental health, emotional health, and whatever you want to do, do something beautiful for yourself. Garden, something lovely will grow from this. My God, I do believe good things are coming for you, especially from things you have lost. Anything you have lost will come back to you in new form. And sword, make the change. Yeah, it is the, at the start of the year, you will be letting go of past baggage, past people, past relationships, toxic things which were not resonating with you, but you are moving towards yourself, things you love. Flower, be honest with yourself. So something beautiful is going to happen in your life. You are going to shine and flower, become like a flower. So let's see some advice for our viewers. Okay, I think the camera today is a little. Ooh, I bumped into the camera a little. Blessed change. A major life change brings you great blessings. So, yeah, changes are coming. This is a time of potential change. And you know why I did this reading? Because we start the year with a new moon on the 2nd of January. Also, I feel on the 2nd of January itself, we are have a new moon and we are like, woo, crackling start to the year, my God. Oh my God! I think I remember there was an year when the year itself started on the new moon. On the first itself was a new moon. I don't remember which year it was, but there was an year. But on second also this time we have a new moon. Break free, try different ventures and experiences. So yeah, it is time to explore your life and don't just do the normal things. It is time to express, expand, express, and play. Simplify, yeah. Also, do not take baggage. Let go of the past, let go of the things, contemplate, spend time in meditation, stay optimistic, good things are coming. Healing heart, your heart is healing, things will get better. Prosperity, yes, some of you are worried about money. Money is coming, friends, money is coming, so not to worry about it. So that's it for now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like, share, subscribe, join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.